Have you ever wondered why Filipinos are so loved worldwide? Their warmth, resilience, and vibrant culture are second to none. But what happens when other countries try to imitate that unique Filipino charm? Spoiler alert, they don't quite nail it. Stick around as we dive into 15 countries that attempted to emulate the Filipino way of life but fell hilariously short. Trust us, number 4 will blow your mind. Number 15, Italy. Passion without Filipino optimism. Italy is known for its love of life, food, and culture, which is truly inspiring. However, it doesn't quite match the endless optimism that Filipinos offer. Even during difficult times, Filipinos shine with hope and positivity, fostering a joyful atmosphere. While Italians are passionate, their culture doesn't reflect the same resilience and lightheartedness that Filipinos display in tough situations. This special blend of strength and cheerfulness makes the Filipino spirit unique and hard to replicate. Number 14, Malaysia. Hospitality without Filipino generosity. Malaysia has good hospitality, but it doesn't reach the same level of generosity as Filipinos. Filipinos go beyond just a friendly welcome. They make a special effort to ensure others feel valued and appreciated. In Malaysia, kindness is often limited to cultural groups, while Filipinos share their hospitality with everyone, no matter their background. This open and generous attitude makes Filipino hospitality unique. Number 13, United Kingdom. Formality without Filipino warmth. The UK is recognized for its politeness and respect, but it doesn't reflect the warmth of Filipinos that makes every meeting feel unique. Filipinos have a special talent for making others feel like family, transforming casual friends into lifelong companions. While British culture appreciates tradition, it often misses the spontaneity and cheerful energy that Filipinos contribute to social gatherings. The joy of sharing stories during meals or celebrating small wins is distinctly Filipino and hard to imitate. Number 12, China. Tradition without Filipino adaptability. China has a deep cultural history, but its way of handling traditions can be less flexible compared to the vibrant Filipino culture. Filipinos respect their customs while easily blending in modern ideas, achieving a balance that many find difficult. They celebrate long-standing festivals and welcome new trends, keeping their cultural identity intact while being open to change. In contrast, China's strict adherence to its traditions often limits this kind of flexibility, making it challenging to replicate the Filipino lifestyle. Number 11, UAE. Luxury without Filipino heart. The UAE shines with luxury and dreams, but it cannot match the heart and community spirit that Filipinos offer. The tall buildings and busy cities miss the emotional warmth that Filipinos naturally bring. They add joy, kindness, and a feeling of togetherness to any place. Filipinos build bonds that turn workplaces and neighborhoods into big families, which is something the UAE's wealth cannot imitate. Number 10, Germany. Efficiency without Filipino fun. Germany is known for its efficiency, which is respected worldwide. However, its culture can be more serious compared to the cheerful spirit that Filipinos bring to their everyday lives. While Filipinos are dedicated workers, they always make time for laughter and fun in their tasks. In Germany, strict schedules can sometimes take precedence over social connections. In contrast, Filipinos excel at fostering vibrant and supportive atmospheres, both at home and at work. Their knack for finding joy in small moments is a cultural treasure that Germany finds hard to replicate. Number 9, Thailand. Vibrancy without Filipino unity. Thailand has a lively and rich culture, similar to the Philippines, but it lacks the strong unity that Filipinos are known for. Thai communities are welcoming, but Filipinos elevate togetherness through bayanihan, which emphasizes helping one another as a daily practice. Filipino unity is especially evident during celebrations, tough times, and even in daily life. This strong bond and collaboration set them apart on the world stage. Although Thailand has a deep cultural heritage, it finds it hard to match the Filipino spirit of shared joy and support. Number 8, Saudi Arabia. Structure without Filipino camaraderie. Saudi Arabia depends significantly on Filipino workers to ensure its industries operate effectively. Although the country appreciates their strong work ethic, it does not fully foster the sense of community that Filipinos naturally build with each other and those around them. Filipinos contribute happiness and togetherness to their communities, even in tough situations. Their skill in adapting while keeping a sense of home through common traditions and values distinguishes them. Saudi Arabia, with its rigid cultural standards, finds it difficult to replicate this special Filipino spirit. Even with the country's attempts to include foreign workers, the connections Filipinos form with their coworkers and neighbors are still unparalleled. Number 7. Australia. Relaxed but missing Filipino hospitality. Australia is known for its relaxed culture, but it doesn't compare to the exceptional hospitality of Filipinos. While Australians are friendly, Filipinos take kindness to a whole new level. Visitors to the Philippines often feel amazed by the generosity and sincere care they experience, whether from acquaintances or strangers. Filipino hospitality is a core part of their culture, extending beyond simple politeness. They welcome guests into their homes, serve delicious food, and treat everyone like family. In Australia, there is a sense of friendship, but it doesn't have the same warmth and depth that Filipinos naturally provide. Number 6. Qatar. Respect for work without the Filipino smile. Qatar depends heavily on migrant workers, especially from the Philippines, showing how much they value their hard work. However, Qatar does not fully support the welcoming and cheerful work environment that Filipinos naturally create. The way Filipinos maintain a positive attitude in tough jobs is something Qatar has not completely grasped or replicated. They bring joy and friendship to their workplaces, even under stress. This strength and optimism are core to Filipino culture, making them a unique workforce that Qatar finds hard to match with its more formal and less personal style. Number 5. Canada. Multicultural but missing Filipino resilience. Canada is known for its multiculturalism, but it doesn't quite match the resilience and adaptability that Filipinos naturally possess. Canadians are friendly and welcoming, yet Filipinos excel at thriving in diverse settings and forming strong connections. Their resilience comes from overcoming challenges while keeping a positive attitude. Filipinos create a strong sense of community, whether by organizing support for those in need or forming close-knit groups abroad. In Canada, where individualism often prevails, this Filipino quality stands out. Additionally, while Canada values diversity, it doesn't fully embrace the warmth and humor that Filipinos bring to social gatherings. The karaoke, shared meals, and joyful laughter are distinct Filipino features that even a friendly country like Canada finds hard to match. Number 4. South Korea. Friendliness with boundaries. South Korea's impact on the world through K-pop and K-dramas gives it a friendly image. Yet, there are social hierarchies that can make interaction seem formal and limited. On the other hand, Filipinos are known for their open warmth, making everyone feel like part of the family. They are great at forming connections that go deeper than just small talk. Whether it's through sharing meals, telling jokes, or offering help, they foster a sense of belonging and true kindness. While South Korea is successful in sharing its culture, it finds it hard to match the natural warmth that Filipinos possess. Number 3. Japan. Hospitality without the Filipino smile. Japan is famous for its politeness, but true warmth is something that can't be rehearsed. Filipino hospitality is instinctive, whether it's welcoming strangers with a smile or forming quick bonds. While Japan offers top-notch customer service, it often lacks the heartfelt friendliness that Filipinos naturally provide. This special warmth is deeply embedded in Filipino culture, often shining through during shared meals, fun karaoke nights, or simple acts of kindness. The organized and reserved nature of Japan stands in stark contrast to the lively and cheerful spirit of Filipinos. The Filipino idea of kapwa, which highlights our shared humanity, is something Japan's formalities can't imitate. In both joyful and tough times, Filipinos come together in ways that show real care and friendship, qualities that Japan, despite its many strengths, has yet to fully embrace. Number 2. United States. Hard work without the Filipino heart. The U.S. is a major global player, but its focus on work can sometimes overshadow the value of family and community. In contrast, Filipinos find a good mix between ambition and personal relationships. While Americans are known for their independence, Filipinos embrace a spirit of bayanihan, which means helping each other in meaningful ways. They also bring a unique sense of joy and humor to their hard work. Even in tough times, their optimism stands out. This positive attitude is a clear difference from the often stressful, work-driven lives in the U.S. It's no surprise that Filipino immigrants in America are appreciated for adding warmth and spirit to every community they become part of. Number 1. Singapore, orderly but lacking Filipino joy. Singapore is known for its modernity and efficiency, but this often means less room for spontaneity. Filipinos, in contrast, celebrate joy in everyday life, transforming simple get-togethers into vibrant fiestas filled with color, music, and community. These lively celebrations are something that Singapore's well-organized events can't quite match. Additionally, Singapore's fast lifestyle doesn't allow for the relaxed camaraderie that Filipinos cherish. While Singaporeans are skilled in precision and discipline, the warmth and connection found in Filipino culture is a unique treasure that can't be replicated. Here are 15 countries that attempted to embrace the unique charm of the Philippines, but didn't quite succeed. The warmth and positivity of Filipino culture are truly special. Which country caught you off guard the most? Share your thoughts in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more interesting looks at cultures around the world. Until next time,